How much do you spend? How long does it take? Is it worth it? These are some questions people ask me about sewing, and today we're going to see some advantages I think sewing has. At first, the sewing machine can be a bit intimidating and a bit scary, but it isn't, and once you have it, it's really useful in a house. For example, to make all this mending you need to do. Mending zippers, hemming trousers, or taking in anything you have to take in. Having a sewing machine is really useful for all of that. And once you are used to using your sewing machine and you are not as scared, you can even customize. Customizing is like the next level, and it's really good because you can see yourself capable of doing more than mending. Mending is good, but customizing it's a bit better. Of course, all of this saves you money. It can be because you're not buying a lot of clothes anymore, or because you're saving when mending, because you're not taking it somewhere else to mend, but you mend it yourself. And after you've made yourself your own guinea pig, when trying the sewing machine, you can make presents for other people. Everyone loves a handmade present. It can be a really nice doorstop, it can be a tea cozy, a handbag. Anything can be a nice present because people notice that you've made it with love all the time you've put in doing it, and people really appreciate it in general. And of course, the main advantage is that you can create your own clothes. You can design and create anything you like of any fabric, as long as you choose the right fabric for a project. Little detail. And that is an advantage because sometimes you don't find anything in a shop that suits you or that you like. And being able to create something from scratch is really good and makes you feel really good. As well as creating something for your home. Making your home feel your own, it's really important for us as people. We spend a lot of time at home and we have to be surrounded by things we like. And even if it's taking a curtain up or making cushions or upholstering an armchair, all that makes us feel home. And of course, all this creativity makes us feel good, all that dopamine kicking in, it's really good for ourselves. Sewing makes us chill and relax, and it's good for stress and to manage our emotions, and it makes us feel really well, because when you finish a project you just feel amazing. And of course, sewing makes your brain work, so it's really good for your coordination, your memory, and to be able to focus a bit better and to concentrate on things. And if you have friends to sew with, that's really good because it's good for your social skills. Good for relationships and making friends. Not like me sewing here on my own with Marie Antoinette. Going to make a club with us too. And these are all the reasons and all the advantages I think sewing has, and that's why when I see someone like sewing or the idea of sewing, I encourage them and try to see if they can afford a cheap sewing machine or if they can borrow one to make all this. How many advantages do you reckon sewing has? So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Let me know then in the comments other reasons, other advantages you can think of, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything next week. Bye!